Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on simple harmonic motion. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer right, well done. So an object of mass 0.15 kilograms performs simple harmonic motion. It oscillates with an amplitude of 55 millimeters and a frequency of 0.8 hertz. What is the maximum value of its kinetic energy? Well, let's have a think. If I'm going to work out its kinetic energy, I'm going to use the equation. Kinetic energy is a half times mass times velocity squared. And I know the mass, I'm told the mass, but I don't know the velocity. I could use the velocity from simple harmonic motion. The maximum velocity is going to be equal to the angular velocity multiplied by the amplitude. But I don't know the angular velocity, so I could use the equation angular velocity is equal to 2 pi the frequency. So if I use this one to start with to work out my angular velocity, I can put that equation, I can put that answer into the Vmax equation, and I can put that Vmax into this energy equation to get my maximum kinetic energy. So let's start working through this. So angular velocity is 2 pi and the frequency is 0.8 hertz. We get an angular velocity of 5.03 radians per second. Now I can use this number into this equation here to find my maximum velocity. So my maximum velocity is, I've got 5.03 radians per second for my angular velocity. My amplitude is 55 millimeters, which is 55 times 10 to the 3 meters, always working in standard units of course, and I get a maximum velocity of 0.276 meters per second. Now I can finally use my kinetic energy equation. Half times, well, the mass we were told is 0.15 kilograms. We've just calculated the maximum velocity. Whoops, pen didn't work properly there. Put all those numbers into my calculator and I will get an answer of 5.7 times 10 to the minus 3 joules. Answer A. If this was useful, subscribe, like and share, and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.